You're not going to hear this on the evening news, but two things just happened in the crypto world that could completely reshape how money works. First, Washington. Picture this. Michael Saylor, Fred Thiel, and other big players from mining companies like Riot, BitDeer, and CleanSpark all sitting in a room with lawmakers in D.C. What were they pushing for? Something called the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Act. Now, don't let the fancy name throw you off. Here's what it means in plain English. The U.S. government could start stacking Bitcoin, up to 1 million coins over 5 years, not trading it, not flipping it, literally holding it like a digital Fort Knox. And the best part, they're saying it could be done without blowing up the federal budget. They could use seized assets or other creative funding. Think about what that signals. If the government itself starts treating Bitcoin as a strategic reserve, like gold, that changes the whole conversation. Suddenly, Bitcoin isn't just some alternative investment. It's a national asset. Symbolic? Absolutely. Political? For sure. But you and I both know symbols move markets. And this one could shift the narrative for years. Now let's flip to the stablecoin world. Tether just announced they're rolling out a new US-based stablecoin called USAT, expected by the end of 2025. It's being issued through Anchorage Digital Bank. Here's why that matters. USAT is designed to comply with the new Genius Act, meaning every dollar is backed and it plays nice with regulators. That's huge because while USDT isn't going anywhere, it will technically remain a foreign stablecoin. USAT becomes the compliant official player for the US market. Imagine the money flows when big institutions finally get comfortable because the stablecoin meets government standards. And if that wasn't enough, here's the kicker. The UK and the US are tightening up their regulatory alignment on crypto. That means both sides of the Atlantic could soon be playing by similar rules. Less red tape, more consistency. If you're an investor, that's exactly what you want. Clarity, predictability, a clear path for capital to move across borders without everyone stressing about regulators pulling the rug. So let me spell this out for you, because it's easy to miss the bigger picture. If the US really moves forward with a Bitcoin strategic reserve, it's basically telling the world Bitcoin is part of our national security strategy. That's not hype. That's positioning Bitcoin as untouchable. If Tether's USAT takes off, it becomes the bridge between Wall Street and crypto. The coin everyone from hedge funds to retirement accounts can use without regulatory headaches. And with the UK and US lining up, we're looking at a global framework that makes adoption smoother, faster, and safer for big money. You and I both know markets don't move on slow news. They move when the story changes. And the story right now is that crypto isn't just a side hustle anymore. It's being written into the playbook of governments, banks, and regulators.